G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 8 King Richard Court in the popular Bayside and Marina side location of Urangan. There's a bit to take in, let's go and take a look around. If you're looking for a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels with space to accommodate a caravan, RV or boat, your search is over. You'll also appreciate and enjoy the convenience that comes with being surrounded by key amenities, including the Urangan Marina and boat ramps, the Hervey Bay Boat Club, Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Aldi's, Botanic Gardens, Esplanade, beach, cafes, restaurants, and the iconic Urangan Pier. With rental vacancy rates as tight as we've ever seen them across Hervey Bay, there has never been a better time to invest in our local property market. Astute investors will know it's always about location, location, location. And this sound brick and tile home was built in 1995 and has been well maintained and tastefully refurbished over time in the highly sought after Bayside location of Urangan. This lovely home would also be ideal for the first home buyers looking to purchase into an established area with strong growth potential and room to add further value. The open plan living and dining area does form the heart of this home and includes a ceiling fan and stylish plantation shutters. The stylish galley style kitchen features ample bench and storage space plus a pantry. Appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood and an oven. The open plan dining and living area opens out to the expansive alfresco outdoor entertaining area overlooking the private backyard. This is where you'll enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. This home does include 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 of which include built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, a built-in wardrobe and an ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom includes a bath, shower and vanity, and there is a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation includes a single garage with direct internal access into the home. You also have clear side access and ample space to accommodate RVs, caravans or boats, and there is space to the rear to add a shed or pool if desired. This home does feature beautiful established low maintenance gardens and raised vegetable beds along with a selection of fruit trees. The energy conscious will appreciate the 6.2 kilowatt solar power system. Homes offering these features in this location are rare and always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.